In this video, we discuss about forensic analysis. Let's focus on how SOC conducts forensic investigations to trace the origins of security breaches. In the aftermath of a security breach, knowing how and why it happened is critical. Forensic analysis within a security operations center provides answers by retracing the steps of cyber threats. Forensic analysis is a deep dive into the digital footprints left behind by attackers. SOC teams meticulously examine data, logs and events to understand the attacker's path, how they got in, what systems they accessed, and the damage they caused. The first step in forensic analysis is gathering and preserving evidence. Every bit of data, from network traffic to file changes, is collected and carefully archived. This ensures that no critical data is lost and the investigation remains valid for potential legal proceeding. Once evidence is collected, SOC teams analyze it to identify the attack vector. This involves tracing suspicious login attempts, unusual file transfers, and malicious code back to their origin. By connecting the dots, SOC can pinpoint how attackers gained access. Mapping the attacker's path is a crucial part of forensic analysis. By retracing their every move, where the attacker entered, what systems they compromised, and the methods they used, SOC team can fully understand the scope of the breach. Beyond identifying the attacker's path, SOC analysts focus on the root cause of the breach, whether it's an unpatched software vulnerability, weak credentials, or a phishing attack. Understanding the initial weakness helps prevent future incidents. With a clear understanding of how the breach occurred, SOC teams assist in recovery by recommending mitigation strategies. It could be patching vulnerabilities, updating firewalls, blocking malicious IPs, etc. This ensures that the breach is contained and won't happen again. Forensic analysis also plays a vital role in supporting legal and compliance investigations. SOC teams compile detailed reports of the breach, including a timeline of events and documented evidence, ensuring that organizations are prepared for any legal proceedings. Each investigation provides critical lessons. SOC team uses insights from forensic analysis to improve future defenses, making systems more resilient and better prepared for the next threat. Forensic analysis is more than just investigating past breaches. It's about learning, adapting, and strengthening defenses, ensuring your organization is ready to face this next challenge head-on.
Check out this video on the top right on compliance management, focusing on how SOC ensures cybersecurity compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies. And find our full playlist on SOC in the bottom right. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more such insightful videos.